Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox our newly item. This is the Packet 1080p 22-gram Super Mini Sports Camera. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you very much to Shanren for making this video possible. Yes, it's www.shanren.shop. Shanren is specialized in innovates high-level fitness and health tracking devices. They have like heart rate monitors, tail lights, bike lights, sports camera, and many more. Or if you are looking for sports camera or kapag nagbabalak kayo bumili nito, this is it. This is for you. I-unbox natin siya and bigyan na rin natin ng a little bit review. And kapag decided na kayo bumili nito, yung link is also in the description. Just click it so that you will be directed to Shanren.shop official store for this item. Alright guys, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. And this is their parcel from Shanren.shop. And as always, kapag mag-unbox kayo, use a scissors. And buksan na natin siya, and actually I am excited na gamitin itong Shanren mini sports camera nila. Wow. Wow! And this is their actual packaging from Shanren. Ayan, napakaganda nung kanyang lalagyan. Nakalagay siya sa crystal case. And this camera is super small. This camera measure 4.2 cm only. Napaka-small niya. And meron siya ditong specification. Basahin ko siya for you guys. And the actual name of this camera is a Sport Camera Packet. And this one has communication of Wi-Fi, dimension of 42mm by 42mm by 20mm. This one weighs only 22 grams with a battery life of 70 minutes on a Wi-Fi mode of an optional 10 class micro SD card up to 64 GB, and video is 1080p Full HD 30 frames per second with a camera of 120 wide angles view with a picture of 8 megapixel time lapse, and this software supports Android 4.2 or above and iOS 7.0 or above. And I am so excited nang gamitin to, and buksan na natin siya para mahawakan ko na yung actual camera. So, inside the box, ito yung kanyang pinaka-actual camera. Super liit niya lang. So, as in, ito yung aking relo. Mas malaki pa nga ata yung aking watch. And, halos ganun lang talaga siya kaliit. And inside the box, ay meron kayong makukuhang kanyang, of course, yung kanyang user manual. It comes with charging cord. This is USB to micro SD. And yung kanyang mga accessories, this one is the magnet. And yung kanyang socket. And yung kanyang viscose. Ayan. And meron din siyang declip. So, marami siyang use na pwede nyo siyang gamitin. And yung kanyang default na nakalagay dito sa camera, let's see, I think ito yung kanyang declip. So, here. So, ayan. And ito yung inyong pinaka-actual camera. Pocket 1080p 22 gram Super Mini Sports Camera by Shanren.shop. And as you can see, ito yung kanyang pinaka-harap. And on the top, ay meron kayong button. And also, dito sa kanyang left. And dito sa baba ay meron kayong charging cord and yung inyong lalagyanan ng memory card. And this one, yung kanyang clip na fixtures. So, for example, pwede nyo siya i-clip. Pwede nyo siya clip lang like that. That one. And pwede nyo siya palitan. This one is the snap lang naman. So, for example, this one yung kanyang magnetized na fixtures. And sa likod pala, meron siyang logo. Ayan. Yan yung kanilang pinaka-logo. It's amazing. And for example, this one yung kanyang magnetized. Ito yung gusto nyong gamitin na kanyang fixtures. Yan, lalagay nyo lang. And for example, meron kayong mga metal na surface. For example, this one. And yung camera nyo, pwede nyong idikit lang na ganyan. So, hindi nyo na kailangan ng clip. It's so amazing. Ayan. And meron pa siyang other two. This is for viscose. Ito, dumidikit lang siya like sa mga fabric. And this one naman is yun sa kanyang socket. Ayan. So, I think yung maganda dito is itong magnet. Pwede nyo siya idikit sa surface ng mga metal. And yung kanyang declip. And this too is magagamit nyo rin siya, diba? So, that is our unboxing of this Pocket 1080p 22 gram Super Mini Sports Camera by Shanren. And as promised, bibigyan natin siya ng a little bit review. And according to their website, this one is pwede siyang pang cycling, sa pedestrianism, skiing, surfing, diving, and skydiving. So, ang gagawin ko is, since we have a trolley, tatry ko siya for cycling and also for filming. So, without further ado, let's do the video testing of Super Mini Sports Camera by Shanren.
I remember the feel of the air touch my skin. Am I real? 'Cause I felt something leave from within. I feel empty. Have I got nothing left to give? Am I living? 'Cause I only felt alive with him. I'm driving in the night, the hood down. It's when I feel alive, when no one's around. The darkness deep inside comes to light now. But it's alright, it's alright. I can break no heart if I got none. I won't break apart if I stay on the run. But sometimes in the night I miss the sun. Why did darkness come? I felt my body break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightness shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up. Why did darkness come? Why did darkness come? body break, my heart give up. Why did darkness come? I felt the lightning shake me into hell. Why did darkness come? I wanna stay in here where I belong. Why did darkness come? Something keeps waking me up. Nothing left to give. When we break apart, darkness with him. Why did darkness come? Why did darkness come?
Hello guys, and this is the video quality of this Super Mini Sports camera by Shanren. So ganito yung makukuha ng quality kapag gagamitin nyo itong camera na to sa inyong sa studio and gagamitin nyo siya for regular vlogging. You can also use your smart camera as a viewfinder. So meron kayong ida-download na app via Shanren Video. And pwede nyo siyang tignan muna, i-check yung inyong angle kung magkukuha kayo ng pictures, ng video, ng time-lapse, or ng short video. And apart from that, you can also use your smart camera na i-check yung mga files na na-taken nyo na using this Super Mini Sports camera. And isa pa, and you can also download yung mga files using your smart camera via wireless. So, good thing yun, hindi nyo na kailangan tanggalan yung camera. Wirelessly nyo na lang ida-download yung mga files na nakuha nyo using your smart camera. And pwede nyo siya i-share sa inyong social media or whatever platform na gusto nyo siyang i-share. And lastly guys, yung naririnig yung audio, this is the audio quality of this Super Mini Sports camera by Shanren. So, yung naririnig yung audio is directly nanggagaling sa ating camera. And there you have it guys, that is our unboxing and a little bit review of Pocket 1080p 22-gram Super Mini Sports camera by Shanren. And by the way guys, this camera is equipped with f2.8 wide multi-filter lens of SLA camera level and Sony 1/3.2 sensor camera. And this very tiny camera has 1080p Full HD, 60 minutes long-lasting video shooting, 120 degrees wide-angle view, time-lapse, Wi-Fi connection, integrated rechargeable battery, and all of that sits on a single device, weighs only 22 grams. And again guys, if you are decided to get this one, the link is in the description. Just click it so that you will be directed to official store of Shanren.shop. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para kapag meron tayong bagong videos like this and everything, manonotify kayo sa inyong YouTube account. And I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye!